Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to file your KRA returns as a landlord in Kenya. And the first thing that you need to do is go to the KRA website. You need to go to KRA iTax. Then after clicking on KRA iTax, you need to click on the first website. So you click on the first website so that you're able to access your KRA portal, and this automatically allows you to select the PIN that you want to use to maybe register your PIN or input the PIN that you're going to be using for this process. So currently going to delete that. You're going to be using this PIN. Then you're going to click on enter, continue. After clicking on continue now, you need to input your password. You need to input your password so that you can access the next part. Then you're going to solve this equation, that is 31 minus 6 is 25. And click 25, and then you're going to click on continue. After clicking on that, you need to go to returns, file return. Then you're going to click on income tax, rent or income. And then you're going to click on next. So this allows you to select, currently you're filing the returns for the period of the 1st of March 2021 to the 31st of March 2021. So then you need to click on next. You're going to input the number of properties that you have. Maybe you have like one property and you have a total collection of rent of 5,000 shillings. So you need to input 5,000 shillings, and it automatically calculates your returns, which are 10% of the value of your rent or income. And then you need to click on submit so that you can now proceed on to the next step. After that, you click on next, which is OK. And you can see that you're able to download a returns receipt. So you can easily download that returns receipt conveniently. You can click on it and open it. Let's try and open it for now. If you can open, you're able to see that you've now filed your KRA returns. So now the next part is now on payment. So you need to go to payments, then you need to click on payments registration. After clicking on payments registration, this allows you to give you the details of what you're going to be working on. So this one is a taxpayer's name, and this part is the taxpayer's name. This one is a taxpayer's PIN. After that, now you come and select the tax head. So it's income tax, and then you're going to select on income tax, rent or income. After just selecting that, now gives you all the payments that you're supposed to have done. So you're going to select, like right now we have payments for May and April. You're going to click on May, and you're going to add the payments. After doing that, you can now click on the mode of payment. You're going to be using other modes of payment. Then you're going to click on submit, and you're going to say OK. So now you've been able to make your payments, and you're now going to download your payment slip. So this is how your payment slip looks like. So basically this is what you're going to be using for payment. You can always pay using MPESA pay bill number, and this is how you file your returns as a landlord. Thank you, and see you in the next video.